Hey everybody, happy race day. Back here at Hickory Motor Speedway for week 11 of the 2023 Paramount Auto Group Limited Late Model Series. Tonight is a Big 10 night, so it's 50 lapper. Got 20 cars. It's a pretty big field, it's the biggest field we've had this year. We were P1 in first practice and P3 in second practice. I think we've got a pretty good race car. Don't know if we have great qualifying speed, but I think we're gonna have good race speed. Did a bunch of changes as far as components and mid-season maintenance and just making sure that everything was right on the car. So I think we'll be pretty good tonight. We just got done qualifying, qualified third. Pretty good lap. Probably could have found about a half a tenth, but still would have put us third. I think we've got a good car for the race, so we're gonna hopefully have a clean race. There's 20 cars, so you never know what will happen. But we're in a good starting spot. I feel good about where we're at, so we'll see what happens.
Wheel and safety lights are extinguished. He's on pit road, and we're getting ready to go live at 5 here at Hickory Motor Speedway. Green flag is out. We're racing right here in the Catawba Valley. As they go 2 by 2 down in the turns 1 and 2, great start by a Showtime Rough with Chase James in tow. And it is a Hornet's Nest right behind him from about 3rd all the way back to 10th or 12th. They're double filed, beating and banging, jockeying for position as we get one lap on the board.
Well, Gil, I was completely wrong. Watch the 24 car step right out in front. That's a lot of strong showing early for this team and this crew, and they've showed up this way the last couple of weeks here at Hickory. The 20-car field is really going to cause some issues here in just a little bit. You're going to have a lot more traffic tonight than usual. Look at the 24 car stepping out front. Got a gap of several car lengths.
Bryson Ruff putting it on him early. Again, I know when I was talking to him during pre-race, biggest thing for him was trying to pull a good set of tires and make them last the whole 50 laps. As you can see, business is picking up. It looks like rush hour in Chicago street course right now. As they are beating and banging around out there 2 by 2 back through most of the field. It is an accordion stacked up as they exit turn number 4. Back down into turns 1 and 2. Starting to kind of get a little bit of a feel for where everybody's at now. We're single file back to about 10th or 11th position as the number 9 of Spencer Childers moves ahead of the number 29 of Bud Laney to make the field single file. Now you're going to kind of get a little bit of feel for where everybody's at. We're 5 laps into this thing, and we're going to see some comers and goers, I believe, as this one drags on out.
Yeah, Kel, this early in the race, I kind of feel like everybody's just kind of adapting, like you said, we're adapting to the changes, kind of figuring out where we fit at, and I think, you know, you see a lot about the race cars in this early point of the race, but it's also going to continue to change. This racetrack is, it doesn't just adapt and it's done, it continues adapting and changing all night long. So with a long feature, especially if we throw in some cautions in there, it's, you know, there's going to be a lot of changes. So guys that are strong now may fall back a little bit towards the end of the race. You never know. It's one of those things you have to wait and see.
On your FloRacing set right now, you're just watching Charlie Charlie Watson working on the inside of Chase Pollard. That looks like that's the battle for 9th place. As Watson down on the inside as they come to the screen there to your far right as he's trying to pull up, trying to get a little bit closer to DJ Kratz, the young man from Hickory, North Carolina, the Leapfrog Racing Toyota, trying to drive forward. It isn't the first time Charlie Watson drove that limited car this year. That car being piloted part-time by he and also William Albert thus far in 2023. Because both of those guys have been having pretty standout years, or standout year. Both drivers being very successful in that car.
Yeah, Kel, it's a big year really for the limited program. I mean, we see Will come out here week in, week out, and run very consistent, very solid. He's picked up several podium finishes, and so I think for that, for Will as a young driver, having a guy like Charlie, who is a renowned veteran here at Hickory Motor Speedway, that really knows how to get around these local short tracks, it's a big deal for him. So a lot of success coming out of that night too.
Great racing action just anywhere you look at on the track, all the way from the front to the back. As you're watching mid-pack right now, it looks like the number 9 of Charlie Watson working on the number 1 car of DJ Kratz. He's caught up to the back of that race car. That's the fight for P8. As you see on your screen, Daniel Wilk working on former Big Ten race winner Graham Holler right there. Graham has been just a few weeks since he's been to victory lane. Again, all these guys having great standout, good consistent seasons. Definitely with Chase James and Bryson Ruff, probably I would say gathered the most wins for a single driver, but a lot of these guys running up front, doing great points. As it looks like we'll have our first retirement is the U2 machine of Gregory Estelle from Mount Holly. Looks like his Ford Mustang's going to be done tonight. Tough break for him early in the going, only 17 laps in as we rejoin the battle right here. Daniel Wilk still working on Graham Holler. Again, 2 young and hungry drivers. Daniel Wilk running out of the Jason Smith stable. Right, here's another good battle. Jordan McGregor working on this inside of the 66 of Zach Wells as they go down the back straightaway into turns 3 and 4. Trying to flex some of that 4 SPT performance going down the front straightaway down to the turns 1 and 2. At the Z01 as Zach Wells trying to drive up hard off of turn number 2. And now look who's coming into that battle as well. Trey Knipe, the young man from Claremont, North Carolina, joining that battle as well as we go across the stripe. 20 laps in, 30 laps to go to settle it here tonight at Hickory.
Yeah, so far it's been a pretty clean race. We see guys really giving each other quite a bit of room, it seems like. And it's still early, but we're getting, now you got 30 to go. If you stay green this long, it's a very, very quick race. So it doesn't take very long to run 50 laps at Hickory without cautions. So, if this continues to go, I think things are going to amp up here in the next couple of laps.
Yeah, you're going to start hearing from your spotter. You're going to have to get it and go quickly. 22 laps down. We're almost at the halfway point here. Jordan McGregor still trying to get past Zach Wells as he's hung Wells out to dry. Wells having a fight that control car just a little bit as they exit turn number 4. Trey Knipe kind of backing off that battle just a little bit. He's not going to be able to back off too much as Graham Holler starting to pull up within just a few car lengths of him. Holler gets all kinds of loose going down the back straightaway. Nearly loses it at the exit of turn 2. Great, able to keep that car out of the wall and gather it back up. He's definitely finding a loose condition in that car as they go back down into 1 and 2.
Yeah, Kellen, listen, the entire time the front runners, the 24 car Bryson Ruff 47 and Chase James, have been working around some lap traffic, and they've really created a gap because when you have side-by-side racing like this, it really causes a lot of separation, and it's an opportunity for the guys in front to pull away. And we've seen that with the 2 front runners. So for Chase James, this has been really good. Now they got a little bit of clean air for him to hunt down the 24 of Bryson Ruff.
And coming out of turn number 4 out there is still a gaggle of cars. Daniel Wilk now working on the inside of, looks like that's the number 9 of Charlie Watson. Now the number 1 coming back up into that battle. That's DJ Kratz trying to get back in front of those guys. What a battle back there in the back. Ricky Denny also looking out on the inside of Chase Pollard. Coming into that battle, again, 5 or 6 cars there you can throw under a blanket.
racing, we don't see all 20 cars getting along this well. You know, it's usually a lot more, the drivers are a little bit more close, guys are not giving as much room, so it's interesting to see that. And I think part of it is, you know, they know this is a long race, but like you said, the spotters are up on the roof saying, you know, we're going to have to, you know, make some moves now, and this is where you kind of throw a little risk out there. It's risk versus reward at this point in the race.
Traffic becoming a little bit of an issue for the rest of the field too, as the number 22 very slow on the racetrack. That's Chase Thaxton in the light motorsports Chevrolet. Most of them definitely have a problem with that race car. Back down to the turn number 130, 1 laps on the board, just 19 laps to go to settle it. Somebody wants to try to get up there and challenge Bryson Ruff for the win. They're going to have to step on the loud pedal and get on it. Now Chase James is followed by 1.4 seconds to Ruff, and I'm thinking he's praying for a caution. Oh, we got a bottleneck over here in the turn number 2. Not sure how they didn't end up with a wreck over there. All those cars having to step on the pedal on the left, which is not the one you want to use around a 3. A small short track like Hickory Motor Speedway. Kudos to the hands that be driving those race cars and wheeling them around but not getting wadded up into the wall over there. It's like we can't even look and scan the whole track because there's so many great battles going on right now.
That's the thing, Kel, and with Hickory Motor Speedway, we talk all the time about how there's so many different groups. So you look in turns 3 and 4, you're looking 1 and 2 on the straightaways. There's so much side-by-side racing happening, and tonight it's been fairly clean. But typically, you know, right now we've got the battle between Charlie Watson, the 66 of Zach Wells coming off of turn number 4. The lead, you know, they're trying to work around the lap traffic. The leaders are, so then, you know, you just look everywhere around the racetrack, and it's just consistent battles. It's hard to take it all in. So much good racing happening.
As you watch the battle coming off of turn number 4, it looks like that's the battle from 6 all back to about 13. That's the number 9, Charlie Watson, now occupying the 6th position. Having a pretty good night. Watson starting in the back half of the field, starting P11 to start tonight's action, so he's been able to advance his position. He'd definitely be our top mover of the night. As you can see, Ben is picking out the number 6. Wow, he got really loose that time. Not sure if he had a little bit of help. That's Ricky Denny, the Piggly Wiggly Jeff Kincaid Insurance Dickinson Service Center Chevrolet, getting all kinds of super sideways off of turn number 4 out last time by. Looks like he's no worse for wear. Speaking of Ricky Denny, great to see him out here in a limited car tonight. Usually they get running in our truck series and an occasional street stock competitor or renegade competitor, but great to see him out here in a limited and doing quite well.
Yeah, Kate, it is Jeff Kincaid Insurance tonight. Piggly Wiggly is also here helping us make this possible tonight. So, yeah, it's a big night for Ricky Denny. And look at him, he got really loose that time. But, yeah, really cool to see him out in a limited late model. Love it when he runs this division. And, you know, last year's truck champion. So, really cool to see him out here running this race.
There's 7 laps to go to try to settle tonight as Bryson Showtime Ruff still showing the way. With a comfortable 2.5-second gap back to second place man Chase James. Just hoping that nobody spins out, cracks one, goes in the wall, or does anything crazy. And definitely, these guys are pretty racy about halfway through the field here. That can happen at any
We are here with our third place finisher, Jordan McGregor. So you qualified third, but throughout that race, you gained some spots, lost some spots. How did that car feel out there tonight?
Yeah, it felt pretty good. It was better than it normally feels. We put a lot of work in this week. I got to thank Brandon for helping me till 4:30 in the morning one night this week, trying to get this thing ready. We're still missing just that little bit to win a race, but we're going to keep trying.
Awesome. Who would you like to thank that helped you get to here today?
Yeah, I got to thank Skeets Record Service, HSM, Polar Bear Coolers, Joe's Hand Cleaner, Farm Bureau Insurance, just everybody that helps us out with this. All the guys, it wouldn't be possible without all of them. My family, and appreciate it all.
Awesome. Well, congrats on that third place finish.
So we're back at the shop after yet another P3 podium finish. We've been pretty consistent with the seconds, thirds, and fourths this year. Still haven't found that win, but we're still looking. We're still digging. I made a bunch of changes to the car throughout the day and just couldn't quite get enough. I think we made some improvements overall from the previous race. Just a little bit too tight in the middle still. I think we were set up for a little bit too much of the long run and never got a caution. With 20 cars, somehow we never got a caution. So surprising after rewatching the race on Flow that we didn't have a caution after seeing some of the stuff going on. So overall, it was a good race. That's pretty impressive. I think we're going to make a couple changes to the car this week, try to free it up in the middle. We're going to adjust the valves. Still had some RPM issues, and it started after we adjusted the valves earlier in the season. I'm not sure if that's what it is or not, but we've gone through everything else. So we're going to try that and see if that helps. Got a couple of big announcements here in the next couple of weeks. We've got a new sponsor that we're going to announce, and we've also got McGregor Motorsports hats that will be available. So we'll post that all here on the social media in the next week or so. Enjoy the next weekend. We are off, and we'll be back here in a couple of weeks.